You sure you're going to be able to do that yourself?
I did last night.
Yeah, I know, but you missed it.
Right, here we have one of Paul's many blisters, and what we're going to do now is we're going to go in from the side, take out all of the excess fluid, and pump in the iodine to try and dry it out. As you can see,
That
it's
wasn't
a good,
my backside.
close.
Nothing in there.
There is.
As you
There
can-
is.
You've seen the good times of the camp. Let's just want you to see the painful times.
No, you need to get.
Don't throw that at me.
Sorry about the camera work.
That's it, that's got it.
That's the one. That's it. Taking out all of the fluid.
You can see the
If we
fluid
can.
from there.
God, mate, it's quite a lot.
There's quite a bit of fluid in there.
Oh,
Sorry.
look at all this. We're like vultures.
No, I'm just the cameraman.
I'm just waiting for it to hurt.
Do you know vultures actually consume more meat than any other animal? In that?
Oh.
Oh, go away,
That's,
Birdman.
very nice. Thank you very much, Mike.
Come on, get the iodine in.
That's what
It's
you
a
want
fun
to do.
bit.
Go
No, you want to take every single bit of fluid
Go the
out.
length of it.
It's not great.
You don't even have to be asleep to breathe heavily, do you? Oh, actually, you've got asthma. I'll let you off.
Please do.
Is he really noisy at night?
I'll show it on.
Pass me the iodine, please.
Where is it?
It's over there.
It's the iodine moment now. How you feeling, Paul?
Scared?
Yeah.
Right, let's get a baby wipes in case it goes all over the bed. Can I put that underneath there?
You
Darren?
undo it for me.
Can you put your foot underneath?
Oh yeah, let's get that. That's the
Because I just don't want it going
Yep.
over James'
Iodine.
bed.
Excuse the sexy hand.
we will.
Chipolatas.
Don't mind me getting in too close.
No, because he's just about to kick you.
Oh,
That's fine. My brother
Is
can
that
kick
it?
me as much
you
as
might
he
get
likes.
iodine over you.
Ain't worried. As long as my brother's alright, I don't
Is
care.
that what you're putting in there?
Yeah.
Paul, that's iodine. Don't.
You alright, mate?
Black cat. Here we go.
That's
It's not going in.
Yes, it is. Fucking is going
I'll
in.
break
Sorry.
the different fracture you know, lot.
Do excuse me. Sorry. Alright, mate. That's it.
Look how tight
Alright,
he's
mate.
actually got the spoon.
It's alright, just go through it, breathe nice and deep.
Put some
That's
more
it,
in.
mate. Breathe
What?
deep. That's it. Put a little bit more in.
good, man. This is real men.
This is it. This is what separates the men from the girls.
The boys.
Ooh, that's good.
Alright, mate. Breathe deep if you can. That's it. That's done.
That's all that moaning you've done on the way round.
Alright, mate.
Put some more in. Put some
It's
more in.
alright.
No, I think
No,
that's-
let's find
He's just
another one.
gonna dry it out
That's plenty
tomorrow,
for
so
that
that'd be
one.
fine.
No, that's
Fine.
enough. Let's find another one.
Do the toenail. You have to show the toenail as well.
Alright.
Could you describe the pain?
Immense.
Without using the word excruciating.
You alright, mate?
Tearful.
Bought a tear for you right for that one, wasn't it? Yeah. Not surprising, mate. Not surprising.
Do another one.
I'm going to stab it in your leg.
Yeah.
I think he said he likes boiling eggs.
Go on.
Yeah. Bit painful, that one.
Nothing there, mate, to be fair.
That's, I think that could dry out the south of England, mate, that one.
I got that one there, I go.
And that one there. Is that still full?
Yeah, you are.
Ready or not, here comes the iodine.
You went straight through that one, mate.
Go on,
That's right,
Mikey.
you got that out, yeah.
Go for it. Just do it while you're psyched. Go on.
Deep breath.
Go on,
deep
why you
breath,
got the pain
deep
in
breath, deep
Go on,
breath.
go on. You've run 4 marathons.
Just keep
That's
the
the
pain
one.
going,
That's
mate.
it.
Come
In you
on.
go.
Just don't come off that pain barrier.
Go on, go on.
Alright? While you're thinking about pain, mate, get everything done you need to get done.
Do that toenail.
Oh, it's empty now.
Alright?
You've got to show the toenail. isn't
Now,
it?
viewers, what should I do with this toenail? If I get more than 30 comments telling me what to do, I'll do it.
Let me just let me get a good zoom in on that because it's relatively nice. That's as black as your rat. That is, as you can see, the nail is coming away from the skin, and I think that might be tomorrow's action. Viewers, so please join us.
Do you want to check out the rest of my blisters?
Yeah, we've got
Got
to
this
fill
on?
them up, mate.
All of them.
Got this on.
That
I
one
reckon
there?
we should put some iodine all over all of them.
Yeah, it's
I
a
don't think we
lovely
need to inject
blister.
it.
Ow! What are you doing?
Strapping you up.
I'll strap you up in a minute.
Thank you very much. And from Team Green,
Dr. Shitson says iodine helps.
Katie,
Hello.
Michael,
Hi.
and me. Bye bye.